Are you feeling off balance? Like something's not quite right in your mind, body, or spirit? The answer might lie in the mystical world of the 7 chakras, the ancient energy centers within us. From the grounding red of the root chakra to the transcendent violet of the crown chakra, each plays a unique role in our well-being. But how do these colorful energy whirlpools work? And more importantly, how can you align them to enhance your overall health and happiness? So let's uncover each one. Number 1, the root chakra. Also known as the Muladhara, this is your energetic anchor, firmly planted at the base of your spine, waving the flag of support and stability. It's the starting point of our chakra journey, and it's all about the color red, vibrant, bold, and full of energy. This chakra is associated with the earth element because it's like your spiritual GPS, connecting you to your familial roots, upbringing, and the physical world around you. Take it as the guardian of all things solid, representing your basic needs like food, water, shelter, and of course, that warm feeling of safety. And guess what? The root chakra is not just an ancient concept, it resonates with modern psychology too, as it is closely linked to Erik Erikson's developmental stages, particularly the trust versus mistrust stage in infancy. Imbalances in the root chakra may lead to anxiety, fears, physical issues like colon or bladder problems, and psychological manifestations such as nightmares. But hold up, there's a savior in this story: meditation. It's like a superhero cape for connecting with your higher self and building trust in the cosmic forces. The root chakra's balance can also be achieved through colors and gemstones. The chakra's associated color is red, and gemstones like garnet, red jasper, black tourmaline, and bloodstone can be placed on the chakra area during meditation to promote alignment and openness. Number 2, Sacral Chakra. It's a vital energy center below the navel and aligned with the perineum. Although traditionally associated with the sex organs and kidneys, these connections lack empirical support. It's illustrated by a vibrant orange symbol with 6 petals and a crescent moon. It's not just any other pretty picture, it's the essence of life's cycle: birth, death, and rebirth. In the symbol, the lotus flower, tangential circles, and crescent shape emphasize the interconnectedness of creativity and lunar phases. This sacral chakra is your hotspot for sensuality and creativity. When it's balanced, it's like a smooth jazz melody with harmonious self-relationships, a sense of pleasure, and an overall sense of well-being. And here's the secret element it's aligned to, and that is water, as this chakra is all about flow, flexibility, and letting those emotions ride the waves. Engaging with Swadhisthana is like unlocking your hidden creative treasure. It's your backstage pass to a healthy relationship with pleasure and a deep dive into your emotional reactions. But it doesn't stop there. This exploration spills over into your connections with others. So how do you balance this creative powerhouse? Do targeted yoga poses such as the Baddha Konasana, the butterfly pose, and the Upavishta Konasana, the wide-angle seated forward bend pose. Are you feeling lazy? No problem. Just prop yourself against the wall, legs up, and let the magic happen. Number 3, the solar plexus chakra. Positioned at the navel, the solar plexus chakra is represented by the color yellow and associated with the element of fire. Manipura, translating to lustrous gem of the city, is like the sun in your energy galaxy, bringing vitality and power. This isn't just about your belly button, it's about your sense of self. It enables confidence, assertiveness, and decision-making rooted in inner wisdom. The color yellow, symbolic of energy and intellect, is associated with the solar plexus chakra as it draws inspiration from the surrounding fire element. This isn't just a color, it's a symbol of youth, new beginnings, and rebirth. It's the banner of knowledge and intellect, waving proudly for those drawn to its sunny embrace. The fire element is fundamental to your solar plexus chakra. It's like solar-powered energy for your digestive system, obtained from the sun and soaked up through sunlight-infused foods. Now let's talk about imbalance. Too little fire causes your chakra dance to slow down, leading to digestive hiccups and a buffet of emotional issues like insecurity and self-doubt. On the flip side, An overabundance of fire can turn your energy system into a wild bonfire, risking imbalance. But fear not, as rebalancing your solar plexus chakra is the key to overthrowing the villains of insecurity and self-doubt. Yogic techniques offer a pathway to restoring balance and tapping into inner power. Here's the catch. Too much focus on this third chakra might lead to burnout, while neglecting it can leave you feeling weak and stuck in inertia. It's the heart's love and happiness that radiate from the solar plexus chakra, underlining its central role in your holistic well-being. Number 4. Heart Chakra. Positioned at the center of your chest near the physical heart, the heart chakra is the fourth and often considered the most crucial chakra. In Sanskrit, anahata means unstruck, capturing the essence of the heart chakra's ability to open. It's the ultimate bridge between the material and spiritual realms, a harmonious dance that brings emotional and physical well-being into perfect sync. Balancing this energy center allows you to tap into the power of anahata, freeing yourself from negative emotions, past traumas, and limiting beliefs. This openness fosters deeper connections with yourself and others, leading to more fulfilling relationships and a heightened sense of self. Its associated element is air, or vayu, obtained through breathing. Regular refreshing of the air element is crucial, preventing fatigue and a sense of disconnection from emotions and creative spirit. The air element is linked to emotional balance and joy in life, ensuring harmony in creativity and emotions. The heart chakra isn't just about your heart, it's got a VIP pass to the heart, lungs, and thymus gland party. The heart chakra's green color, associated with nature and tenderness, reflects stability, growth, and healthy relationships. Imbalances in anahata may lead to unhealthy attachments or detachment. An open and aligned heart chakra, however, encourages a harmonious flow of emotions, fostering genuine connections and a profound sense of love and compassion. Number 5. Throat Chakra. Known as Vishuddha, the throat chakra is the fifth energy center and serves as your communication hub, the bridge between your heart and mind. Vishuddha, translating to pure or purification in Sanskrit, is like the DJ of your energy system, spinning the tracks of inner and outer harmony. Positioned at the center of the neck, aligned with the thyroid gland, it regulates energy processing in the body, influencing temperature, growth, and metabolism. It is also the gateway for an energy exchange between your lower and upper body. When Vishuddha is clear, it connects your heart's wisdom with your mind's brilliance. It's the sweet spot where profound spiritual truths flow freely like a cosmic melody. And well, the element associated with the throat chakra is ether, representing space, the emptiness in which our true selves exist. The throat chakra teams up with the Sacral Chakra, and together they create a powerhouse focused on expressing ideas with clarity, grace, and honesty, allowing individuals to project their authentic creativity into the world. To balance your throat chakra, include blue in your life, for example by wearing a blue necklace. Moreover, do neck stretches, focus on your breath, and toss in some throat chakra stones for good measure. By fostering an open and balanced throat chakra, you're not just articulating thoughts, you're conveying your true self, contributing meaningfully to the world through genuine communication and creative expression. Number 6. The third eye chakra. Known as Agnya in Sanskrit, this one stands as the sixth of the 7 primary chakras, holding significance as the foremost center of consciousness, intuition, and perception. The term Agnya translates to foremost in Sanskrit, reflecting its prominence as the seat of the soul and the gateway to higher consciousness. Often referred to as the perception center, it plays a crucial role in gaining clarity, understanding, and spiritual insight. Located precisely 4 inches behind the center of your eyebrows, it transcends mere physical vision and takes you on a journey into the future, connecting with the external world through inner vision. During practices like asana or meditation, the third eye becomes your focal point, guiding you toward a heightened sense of awareness. It's the beacon of light, symbolizing the illumination of higher consciousness. Symbolized by a lotus flower with 2 petals, the third eye chakra's petals represent the dualities of ego, likes and dislikes, while the lotus signifies inner consciousness's ability to surpass these dualities. The associated color, indigo, a deep blue seen above the Earth's atmosphere, symbolizes freedom from material elements, and it embodies intuition, insight, and spiritual awareness. The element tied to this energy center is called avyakata, meaning cannot be described because it is without a form. Light is also associated with this element, representing clarity, understanding, and spiritual insight. In this, meditation becomes your cosmic compass in balancing the third eye chakra, opening up the gateway to higher realms. And if you're into natural remedies, a good night's sleep and herbs like eye bright can lend a hand in this cosmic balancing act. Number 7. The crown chakra. It stands as the highest and final major chakra in the ancient yogic and spiritual traditions, representing the pinnacle of the body's 7 energy centers. Positioned at the top of the head within the cerebral cortex, Sahasrara signifies the seat of divine awareness, unity, spiritual connection, and cosmic consciousness. Unlike other chakras, it transcends physical elements or dhatus, existing beyond the physical realm and aligning with pure consciousness, transcendence, and the thought process of human beings. The color violet represents spiritual awareness, higher consciousness, and connection to the divine. Sahasrara is linked with devotion, inspiration, prophetic thought, and mystical connections, serving as a gateway for the soul to connect with higher realms, universal consciousness, and spiritual insights. Symbolized by a lotus flower with 1,000 petals, each petal represents a different aspect of our being. A balanced and open crown chakra extends awareness and understanding beyond the confines of the physical body. It encourages you to explore metaphysical concepts, achieve self-realization, and comprehend the interconnectedness of all things in the universe. An imbalanced or blocked crown chakra may manifest physical symptoms such as poor coordination, physical exhaustion, headaches, dizziness, light sensitivity, brain fog, and sleep disturbances. Emotionally, it can lead to a lack of purpose, feeling disconnected from oneself and the world, confusion, distraction, and lack of focus. Here's the cosmic truth. Balancing the crown chakra isn't just about symptoms, it's about reconnecting with the infinite. So open up and balance your crown chakra, and let the lotus bloom and embrace the unity with the infinite and say, I am one with the infinite all. Now that you know more about the 7 chakras, which chakra resonates with your current life journey and how can you bring its energy into balance for a more harmonious existence? All comments are welcomed. Thank you for watching and have a blessed day. Namaste.